Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a quick cleaning motivation video. I am giving you a complete disaster, disgusting mom car clean out, and honestly, I'm ready to be judged. It is okay. I know I am going to get some hate comments. I'm ready. I am ashamed of the state of my car. I cannot believe how bad it is. Actually, I can believe how bad it is, truly. My car is just not a priority for me. I do a really good job of kind of, daily cleaning and weekly cleaning in my house, but my car, it's just real easy for me to just shut the door and leave and not look back. And truly, my car hadn't been cleaned out in months, so that is what I'm doing in today's video. This is not like a super thorough detailing video. I am not a car detailing channel. This is just kind of like a good once over of my car. I am just going to be wiping everything down, getting all the trash out, and giving it like a good vacuum. So, just to kind of set everybody's expectations of what to see in this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, it's nothing crazy. It's only 7 minutes and 46 seconds, but I hope you guys will still enjoy it. Also, if you are brand new here, then you wouldn't know, but this video was actually filmed 2 weeks ago and I had to scrap it. I wanted to post it 2 weeks ago, but you will see throughout the video my Instagram handle, which is up on the screen right now. There are stickers kind of all over my car. I don't know why. I'm assuming like that just came from the dealer or the manufacturer. But it looks like my car serial number or like my car VIN number, and I didn't know how to cover it, so I just decided to scrap the video because obviously I wasn't comfortable posting that kind of information on the internet. But I just slapped my Instagram handle over the parts where my car is showing that information. So just so you know, I know it's a little annoying, but you will see my Instagram handle kind of throughout the video. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, nothing crazy. I know I'm going to be judged. It's okay. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to let some music play for the rest of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video.
You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time in chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away from who you are. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time in chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away from who you are. 'Cause you're lost in illusions, dreams and confusion. Oh yeah, it'll keep falling faster, straight for disaster. Cause you're lost in illusions, dreams and confusion. Oh yeah, it'll keep falling faster, straight for disaster. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time in chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away from who you are. 'Cause you're lost in illusions, dreams and confusion. Oh yeah, it'll keep falling faster, straight for disaster. Take me higher, off the ground. We're on fire, but I need you now. Take me higher, off the ground. We're on fire, but I need you now. 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 Take me higher.